Hello viewers of the Wikipedia channel. This time we are discussing tornadoes in the United States. Tornado hits the United States. 100 people even died December 30, 2021. The death toll from tornado attack in a few U.S. states last Friday were estimated at 100 people. U.S. President Joe Biden said the tornado was likely to be the largest in U.S. history. The tornado traveled for hundreds of kilometers and had teams to cross urban areas. Previously, the longest tornado recorded in the U.S. previously occurred in March 1925. Tornadoes hit 6 states in the United States, killing more than 70 people. That most victims were in Kentucky. The wind left a trail, destroying and ravaging homes and infrastructure along more than 320 kilometers. Weather experts say the brunt of the tornadoes this winter is usual. A canal factory, fire department, and a police station in the small town of Mayfield, Kentucky were destroyed. In Missouri, and nursing home was also badly damaged. Meanwhile, 2 Amazon e-commerce workers in Illinois, these were working in a warehouse. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear said the tornado was the most severe in the state history. About 40 workers were rescued from the Mayfield City waste factory. At the time of the incident, there were about 110 workers in it. The facility was shattered into a field of rubble. This level of devastation is unlike anything ever seen. We already lost more than 50 Kentucky residents. Now I believe that number is at 70. In fact, in the make and of exiting 100 before the day is over. Beshear told on news conference on Saturday, 11 December 2001, quoted from Reuters. Beshear said 189 National Guard personnel were deployed to assist in the rescue. Most of the officers were deployed to Mayfield, a city of about 10,000 that borders Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas. Videos and photos posted on social media showed many buildings in the downtown Mayfield razed to the ground. The forgot car was almost buried in trouble of the building. The historic Graves County Courthouse store collapsed, and the first United Methodist Church was also destroyed. The series of tornadoes that followed Friday night's thunderstorm included in supercell storm that formed in northeastern Arkansas. The storm is moving from Arkansas, Missouri toward Tennessee and Kentucky. See you again on the next Wikipedia channel news. Our prayers are for the citizens of the United States.